Help bro.
Weird. Big bashment later, Miss Brenda. Am I invited?
Mr. P is just a small gathering, not big.
Okay, my dear, I understand. But you wish Miss Janice a happy birthday for me, yeah?
Alright, I will.
Oh, by the way, Miss Brenda, I've been meaning to ask you. The other night I see your young man storm out here looking very upset. Is everything alright?
Everything alright, Mr. P. I mean, Mr. Pepping. Everything. You say, if fast was a person, no sir.
I've been standing here for the last 15 minutes. Where is this cab? I'm gonna stop using this company, honestly. Oh, white 80 wagon. I think I see it coming. Thank you. I'm sure. What's the stuff, sir?
Really, Janice, I want to dip on the house, man.
Whatever you say, but don't say it's an invitation to.
John, let's consider this as a birthday gift.
Thanks for the ride.
John, hold on. You got a minute out of your time, no?
You had 30 minutes of my time on my way here.
Hold on, no. You know, I never get a chance to really apologize to you. I really don't want to tell you how sorry I am, you know. Because I know I'm disappointed as a man, you know. And I don't like something really mean for me, but you know, when a man not work and then something that the ego and the low self-esteem, it does make me worst a man you ever get in your life. But when the best thing you ever do for me, I when you put me out, it make me buy the taxi, you know. Me now tell you that I really appreciate what you do for me, and I'm really sorry.
Well, that's good, I guess. I'm happy to know that you're a changed man. Take care, Pop.
Janice, hold on. You can't use the bathroom. Please.
You joking, right?
No, man. I'm serious. You don't want people in that car?
Alright, come. Paul, use the bathroom and then leave.
Yo, No funny business. Trust me. Just want to be and live.
My God. You tell me that little girl still taking up with that cousin.
Surprise!
Weird. So it was a surprise party. Happy birthday, Janice. God. Janice, it look like them surprise you, but you surprise them too.
What is this?
Janice, can I talk to you for a minute, please?
Paul, you know where the bathroom is?
You know something? When nobody want to use the bathroom, they are cut.
Wise move.
Weird, cake and liquor. Oh no, should I tell me, man? Make me put on my pretty dandan and come to today. I'm a move. You know what?
Janice, I know it looked the other day when you come here and find the phone in the settee. But this is what Brenda and I was planning. A surprise birthday party.
A surprise birthday party? Are you sure this wasn't planned after the fact that I found out?
After what fact?
After the fact that I found out what was happening.
Janice, nothing is or was happening between Brenda and I. You realize, say, Brenda and Lincoln break up because me ask her for all a secret? Brenda wouldn't do that to you. And I wouldn't either. I love and respect you too much to do that.
Love?
Yes. Love.
Yeah. Oh, you might see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover, now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover, now make you see how she bruised. Reflecting me see how much she changed from she there with him. It seemed like nothing cause she check for him, but slowly over time she hyper vigilant. It up in a dark corner at every event. All the little things me get for realize. Introvert behavior start to normalize most times. When we try me hear the agony, but she says she happy, you must spend money. You might see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover, now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover, now make you see how she bruised. Today must see your sister post, can't believe you're gone. Your mother paid, say big data, memory live on me, yeah. Ring your phone, you no answer my call, so me stop buying money for no one. Pull up by your gate, me see the yellow tape. Witness said them see your man speed off and escape authorities. Still they a try determine who to blame. I fast and see your body back a label. Your name, your might, you smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover, now make you see how she bruised and battered. She can't feel the mix, yeah.